The first recipe I'm going to make is called sweet and tangy meatballs. So make sure your Instant Pot is plugged in, then you're going to add anywhere between 30 ounce and 64 ounce of your favorite meatballs. I got these ones at my local Kroger. Then you're going to add about 18 ounces of grape jelly. It can be any brand, it doesn't matter. Now I should probably use a spoon when I got this out, but I really wanted to squeeze it out. Next I'm going to add a 12-ounce container of Heinz chili sauce. Now you can get any branded chili sauce. You can also find this at any store. I got this one at Kroger. And really just pour the whole entire thing on your meatballs. Now with the Instant Pot, it's important to add water, so we're adding a half a cup of water right on top. Then you're going to put your lid on, turn it, and make sure that it's on sealing. You want it on sealing so it will actually pressurize. On the Instant Pot, you're going to push manual and set it for 10 minutes, then just walk away. When it's all done cooking, you can do quick release. Notice how the steam is coming out quickly. That releases all the pressure. So when it's done steaming, nothing else comes out, you can turn it and open it. Just still be careful, it's going to be a little steamy and hot. And let them cool down for about a minute, and then I'm just going to mix it all together. Get that sauce covering all of the meatballs. Now you can serve this over rice. I serve mine over instant rice because I could cook it the same time I did my Instant Pot. This really is one of my kids' favorite recipes.